What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. In today's video, I got a really cool find for you. This was a place that I found a few months ago when I was driving from Phoenix to Las Vegas. It looks like an old little abandoned shack just off of the Highway 93. My guess is at one point it was probably like an old little, just gas station and whatnot, maybe a little souvenir shop. It's right here. I'll turn the camera around, we'll take a look at it, then we'll go check it out. There you have it. Just a small little shack here. Probably was a gas station at one point or another, just based off the looks of it. Kind of looks like a lot of old abandoned buildings that you see alongside of the highway. Oh look, a hole in the fence. This is how people snuck into concerts back in the day. That looks like it could crumble at any given second. Alright, we're gonna look out for ankle biters because they could be lurking anywhere. Hopefully there's nobody in here, because that would not be good. Wow. Look at that. Spread love. Check out these vibrant colors. Not going to get into politics, but cool. Hi, car. Look at that view, though. If you were just to come out here, have a cigarette, take a break from your job, hell of a view. Looks like we got a little hat there. Other pieces of debris. Rockstar. Modelo. Ugh. Actually, it's not that bad. I take that back. All right, let's see what's behind door number 2. All right, let's see what we got back here. Katie's Lost Exploring. All right, we'll check it out. We're gonna be extremely careful here, make some noise. All right, so we're gonna go check out the basement. Hopefully there's no surprises down there. It's like the start to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre down here. I really didn't expect there to be anything down here, but you never know. When you're out in the Wild West, you gotta be careful. Give you a quick look around here. Lots of graffiti. Probably just an old closet. Yeah. When you come into places like this solo, you just gotta be on the lookout. You just never know what you're gonna come across. Wildlife, you never know. There could be homeless people like living in here too, and you don't know what they could have, And it looks like there probably was a homeless person living in here. Tent. Saltines! Thumbs up for the saltines. If there's one movie for sure that this place reminds me of, it's definitely going to be, I think the film was just called Gacy, after the killer clown, John Wayne Gacy, because he actually had the dirt floor in his basement, and that's where he buried his victims. Kind of getting goosebumps now just thinking about it. This place definitely ranks right up there with like Twin Arrows and Two Guns, Arizona. Interesting. I'm gonna go back here. Hopefully I don't run into any ankle biters. I am so curious because maybe I can. There doesn't seem to be any other access to these little cellars here. I don't know, maybe there wasn't really a way down there. Maybe it was some sort of private room for, I don't know, drinking or doing, sexual stuff. I don't know. I'm just, throwing stuff out there. Alright everybody, that's about all the time we have for on this week's episode. If you definitely liked what you saw, then go ahead and hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to see more abandoned buildings, then subscribe, because I have a lot more abandoned buildings coming your way. And who knows where we might go next week, so stay tuned. We'll see you guys next week. Take care.